Hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to activate or on how to get the OG Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 11. So let us begin. So first, open up your web browser and then search up for winaerotweaker.com, and then once you're in the website, just click on download. And then once it's done downloading, head over to your downloads folder and then extract the zip file. Once you're done with that, open up the folder and then just set it up. Click on next, click on next, click on I accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install, and then just run WinAeroTweaker. Click on I agree, click on yes, and then you will be greeted by this. So next thing you will do is scroll down until you see get classic apps. So as you can see over here, there's an app that says activate Windows Photo Viewer. So just click on that and then just click on activate Windows Photo Viewer, and then it will open up your settings. And then what you want to do now is look for Windows Photo Viewer. You can just search it up, Windows Photo Viewer. So you can see it's here. Just click on that. And then what you want to do is convert or just change all of these into Windows Photo Viewers. You can see, set it as default. So do this for all of these. So yeah. And then once you're done, when you will open an image, it will now use the old Windows Photo Viewer. As you can see, it is now using the old Windows Photo Viewer. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to enable Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 11. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.